So just I am reading out this problem. A company has two grades of inspectors, 1 and 2. The members of which are to be assigned for a quality control inspection. It is required that at least 2000 pieces be inspected per 8-hour day. Grade 1 inspector can check pieces at the rate of 40 per hour. With an accuracy of 97%, grade 2 inspector checked at the rate of 30 pieces per hour with an accuracy of 95%. The wage rate of grade 1 inspector is 5 per hour, while that of grade 2 inspector is 4 per hour. An error made by an inspector costs 3 to the company. There are only 9 grade 1 inspectors and 11 grade 2 inspectors available to the company. The company wishes to assign work to available inspectors so as to minimize the total cost of the inspection. Formulate this problem as an LP model so as to minimize the daily inspection cost. So we need to understand things in perspective. Two grades inspector. One grade is first grade, another one is second grade. What is the job of the inspector? The job of the inspector is to inspect the quality of the product. Good products need to be selected and bad should be rejected. And the total number of units to be checked by both these grade inspectors are 2000 pieces per day, that means 8 hours stretch. Now, what is the rate of doing work? Grade A inspector is faster. They will check 40 units of products in 1 hour. Whereas grade 2 inspectors check 30 units in 1 hour. That is why they are grade 2. But there is a problem. Sometimes the defective pieces will be allowed to go through the inspection process. Some wrong stuff. So they are not perfect. But grade 1 inspector, there is an accuracy rate of 97%. That means out of 100, 97 pieces they will check correctly. But 3 pieces defective items will go through the process. Whereas grade 2 inspector, there is an accuracy rate of 95%, and that means out of 100 products they inspect, 95 they will do correctly, but 5 defective pieces will go through the process. The issue with this defective items permitting go through is it will give a cost to the company. So 3 rupees for any defective items allowed to go through the process. That is the cost. Now 9 grade 1 inspectors are there, 11 grade 2 inspectors are available to the company. The company wishes to assign work to the available inspectors so as to minimize the total cost of the inspection. Formulate this problem as an LP model so as to minimize the daily inspection. So this is a minimization problem, cost minimization. You employ inspectors in such a way that 2000 pieces to be inspected per day, but at the same time keep the cost minimum. So that is the objective of this particular model. We need to calculate cost. Already weight is given, 5 rupees for grade 1 inspector and grade 2 inspector 4 rupees. Also the cost associated with the mistake. So that also we need to calculate. That means every mistake 3 rupees will be added. So how many mistakes an inspector make in 1 hour is to be added to the cost. So that is where this problem needs to be little bit careful. So we will just solve this problem. We have grade 1 inspector, and we have grade 2 inspectors as well. And number of inspectors chosen are number of inspectors.
2.
And this is available. So I am just taking x1 as x1 is the grade 1 inspector and x2 at x2 was grade 2 inspectors to be employed by the firm. Now what is the total availability of grade 1? Grade 2. It is given in the problem. What is the total availability of grade 1 inspectors? We have 9 grade 1 inspectors. Correct? No? 9 grade 1 inspectors and how many? 11
Grade 2.
Grade 2 inspectors. So that is what is being given as available grade 1 inspectors and grade 2 inspectors. And 8 hours is the total time. Now next is the cost. Cost we need to calculate. Cost is wage. Grade 1 inspector, what is the wage? Grade 1 inspector, it is 5 rupees. Correct? No? 5 per hour, right? 5 per hour. And grade 2 it is 4 per hour. Agree with me? So this is the cost. Next is the rate at which they do the work. So rate of inspection. Grade 1 inspectors check 40 pieces in 1 hour and grade 2 inspectors check 30 pieces in 1 hour. This is per hour. Now I want the error. I am not writing down the accuracy rate. I am just writing down the defective items, or the error, the mistake if they commit. The rate probability is 0.03. That means 97% accuracy rate means 3% mistake, error rate. So 3 by 100 is 0.03. 3 by 100 is 0.03. And this is 5 by 100 is equal to 0.05. This is the error rate. This you understood? Now next is the total error per hour. The rate of inspection is the number of units checked in 1 hour is 40. What will be the mistake? That will be the defective items allowed to go through. 40 multiplied by the error rate. So, number of defective items or number of mistakes per hour. Agree with me? Number of mistakes per hour is rate of work is 40 units per hour multiplied by 0.03. How much it is? 40 multiplied by 0.03 is equal to 1.2. That means out of 40 units checked per hour, 1.2 units will be defective, which will be allowed to pass through. You understood? And this is 0.05 multiplied by 30. Agree with me? So 30 into 0.05 is equal to 1.5. Agree with me? Now next is the cost to the company. Cost of error at 3 rupees per rate. Agree with me in this? So, in 1 hour, 1.2 mistakes by grade 1 inspector. So, what will be the total cost to the company? 1.2 into 3. Correct, no? Because for every mistake, the company has to afford 3 rupees. So, 3 into 1.2 is equal to how much? 3.5. 3.6. Here it is 1.5 pieces in 1 hour. The error. Cost to the company is, for 1 piece it is 3 rupees. So for 1.5 pieces it is 3 rupees. No? This is 3 into 1. So this is 30. Correct. So this is 1.5 multiplied by, or 3 multiplied by 1.5. That is 4.5. So this is the total cost to the company because of the error or because of the mistakes inspectors do by allowing the defective items to pass through the quality check. So this is 3.6 and this is 4.5. Now total cost. What is the total cost? Total cost is wage. Total cost is wage plus, here it is wage plus cost of error. So 5 plus 3.6, that is 8.6. Here 4 plus 4.5 is equal to 8.5. So this is the cost to the company per hour. And when it is 8 hours, you have to multiply it by 8. Now we can solve this problem. Objective function. What is objective function? Cost minimization. Correct, no? Minimize cost. This is the cost, 8.6 multiplied by x1 in 1 hour. Correct, no? Z is equal to 8.6 x1 plus 8.5 x2. You understood this much? Why? Because for 1 unit the cost is 8.6 and for x1 inspectors, when x1 inspectors are inspecting, it is 8.6. This is not unit in terms of inspection cost. So per inspector the cost is 8.6 per hour. So 8.6 into x1. We have x1 inspectors. Here we have x2 inspectors, 8.5 into x2, because for one inspector the cost per hour is 8.5. That cost is calculated from wage plus the cost because of the error, because of the mistake. Now into 8 hours. This is per hour. So we have to multiply it by 8 hours. So it will become 68.8 x1 plus 68, correct, no? x2. Agree? So 68.x1 plus 68 x2. So that is what the total cost, and we need to minimize the cost in such a way that we choose the grade 1 inspectors and grade 2 inspectors accordingly to minimize the cost. Next is total 2000 units are to be, that is the production, sorry, the inspection constraint or production constraint. Subject to constraint. So total 2000 pieces by how many people? x1 people and x2 people. 1 hour, how much? How many people? How many? 1 hour, 40. So x1 inspectors will be 40 into x1. One inspector will check 40. x1 inspectors will check 40 into x1 per hour. So 8 hours will be 8 into 40 x1 plus 8 into 30 x2 will be less, will be more, should be more than 2000. So this is the constraint. 80 into 40, you know how it is come? Because 1 hour, one inspector can check 40 units. So total X1 inspectors can check 40 into X1. 1 hour. So 8 hours, 8 into 40 into X1. So it will be 3 to 20 X1 plus 240 X2 should be greater than or equal to 2000. Minimum checking should be that much. And also we need X1 and X2. So we have another constraint. Grade 1 inspectors, X1 it should be less than or equal to 9. X2 should be less than or equal to 11. Because maximum we have only 8 inspectors and 11 inspectors. And finally X1, X2 should be non-negative numbers. X1 and X2 should be greater than or equal to 0. So this is the solution to the problem.